What every single person is guilty of is not upgrading their brake fluid when going on circuit. Don't get me wrong, some of you are pretty keyed up with that. But what we're going to do with this car is upgrade with some Motul RBF 660, I believe, or 700. You'll find out soon. Brake fluid, it's going to help performance. Sam's going to get this fluid flush done. It's going to mean you can push it on track and you're not going to have to worry about brake fade. So wait till the end of the video, a little bit more insight about the product. Let's get this one rolling.
So a quick little product spotlight for us here at Carbonwurks. Today is Motul. So in front of us we've actually got their racing brake fluid, RBF 700. But Motul have been around in the performance lubricants industry for a long time. Horse and cart days, in fact, 1853 from what my internet-based research tells me. But what I can tell you is in that time they've made some really nice products. So we've actually already got this in our development JCW Mini. We've got some more here because I'm going to be changing out the brake lines on that car sometime this week. But they do everything: engine oils, gearbox oils, coolant, brake fluid, you name it. If it's fluid inside a car, Motul do it, and they do it really well. So these guys, this brake fluid is their highest temperature range as far as I'm aware, which goes up to a dry boiling point of 336 degrees Celsius or a wet one of 205. So we're going to be pumping that into our car once I've got the braided lines on there. The idea being that any of the heat generated by the brake disc and pads, which is quite a lot, will be passed through the calipers into the fluid, and the hotter the fluid gets, the more compressible it gets and the worse the pedal feels. So uprated fluid keeps a longer lasting, better pedal feel for us, and again the high performance to go with it. So these little bottles will be going into our JCW Mini now, and potentially in the future you'll see some other fluids joining those as well. But yeah, we'll show you those going in. Unfortunately, with it being a fluid, there's not a great deal to see, but we know that that certainly helped us keep on top of some of the brake degradation at brands already, and we'll continue to do so next time out. Thanks for tuning in.